Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 55 is a line through 1 minus 1 2 with direction ratio 3 to 2 meets the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 18. What is the point of intersection of line and plane? Option A 4 4 1, option B 2 4 1, option C 4 1 4 and option D 3 4 7. So here the line is passing through 1 minus 1 and 2 and direction ratio is 3 to 2. So we can form the equation of line from this. So equation of line is x minus the coordinate of x through which it is passing divided by direction ratio L. So that is your 3. So x minus 1 by 3 is equal to, similarly, y minus coordinate of y, that is 1, minus 1 divided by direction ratio y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 2 by 2. Because coordinate of x, y, z are 1 minus 1 2 and direction ratio are 3 to 2, so they are in divide. So from this, from last two we can find y in terms of z, that is equal to z minus 2. From first two we can find x, that is equal to 1 plus z minus 2 by 2 into 3. Now equation of plane is given as x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 18, and we have to find out the point of intersection. So we will put y as z minus 3 and x as this value in terms of z, because we have to find out the point of intersection. So it means line and plane will have to satisfy both these equations, this equation and this equation. From these equation we have derived y in term y and x in terms of z, and now we put the value of y and x here in terms of z, and we'll find out the value of z. So z comes out as 4 and y comes out as 4 minus 3, that is 1, and x will come out as this 4. So answer is 4 1 4. Answer is C. Okay. So this is the point of intersection.